everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a jumping code in Scratch. Now as you can see, this is our background right here, and for this tutorial you are going to need a ground that is a certain color. So for us, as you can see, it's purple, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Now what we're going to be doing is first creating a variable that allows the Y velocity to be shown. So you're going to go to the variables tab right here, make a variable, and we're going to call it Y velocity, and make sure it's for all sprites or the sprite only. We're going to do the sprite only for now, but it doesn't really matter. Once you've created the variable, what you're going to do is go to your events, and we want to do when space key is pressed. So that means when we press the space key on our keyboard, this is going to happen, and we're going to choose what's going to happen now. So you're going to go to your variables, and we're going to do change my variable, and we're going to choose Y velocity, and we're going to do change by 10. From there, now this Y velocity variable doesn't have anything attached to it, so really it's nothing right now. So what we're going to do is go and press change Y by, then we're going to go to variables and do Y velocity. So our Y velocity is going to be changed. So our genuine Y, this right here, is going to be changed by our Y velocity variable. From there, now we can actually do the code for the jumping. We're going to do when green flag pressed. You're going to bring to variables, and we're going to be setting our variable to -1. So right below the 0. From there, we want to bring a forever tab so that the rest of the code is going to be played throughout the entire thing. And now this is where the ground comes in. So we're going to do an if statement, and we're going to do if. So we're going to go to motion. Sorry, not motion. I believe it's sensing. Yes. Go to sensing and if touching color. From there, press on this. You're going to press on this, and you're going to choose the color of your ground. Then you're going to set Y velocity to 0. So now we've made a code that you're always going to be going down by -1 velocity. So we're going to do that right now. From there, we're going to do this code right here. So we're going to duplicate this and put this at the bottom. From there, we're going to come here and change our Y velocity by -1 always. However, if you're touching this color, it's going to keep getting set to 0, so it's not going to go down. From here, if we do test our code, as you can see, it jumps and stops. Now, a problem is if you hold the space button, it's going to go up forever, as you can see right here. So what we're going to do is go to when space key pressed, change Y velocity by 10. We're going to go to events, and we're going to do wait, I believe, 2 seconds. So now, sorry, put this under here. So this actually didn't work. We're gonna do what's called another code. We're gonna do control, put it forever, and now what we're gonna do is do an if else, and now we're just gonna put a wait until right here, and now let's see, 10, right? So I believe it's by 10. Let me do that one more time. So 10. So it's being changed by 10. So we're gonna do wait until, grab the Y velocity, go to operators, equal to 10, and then wait 2 seconds. So as you can see, this works. So there you have it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.